Going to explain you what we do here and how we analyze them.
So, etong artifact na to, nakuha namin to sa field school namin noong 2019 sa Alubiit sa Misamis Oriental. So, eto nakikita mo at least kung gaano kalalim minsan yung nagiging contact niya sa material.
Marbre, Amiel, Millennium Canada.
And the reason why the rock has to be homogeneous is because it has to break a certain way. It has to break like glass.
On the way home, and I'm very happy. Wow! Umaasenso na sa buhay.